There is nothing better than a little kiss.
And what do you know? Oh my god, that was amazing.
If you are stuck in thick mud and not even the tractor can help you, you have a problem. Watch your pots, they may contain liquid iron.
Uh-oh. What a wonderful.
This is a classic case of, I'd rather film than avoid the disaster and help. This captain has found the quickest way to unload the wood from his boat. Not even the brakes were able to stop the weight of the crane. It will be a long time before the end of the workday. The trailer of this car was really hanging by a thread.
What in the fuck, bro?
Some cats do not want to be rescued. Maybe the oil was necessary to get through the tunnel at all. I don't know why the people are all still sitting. I would have left the bus long ago. There are always ways in which you should not do it, and then there is this guy.
Fucking cup holders suck. This one's pretty good though. Mint.
I hope he gets fired soon. The airplane was properly cleared of snow. Spontaneous combustion is very unlikely with tankers. Appreciate you watching. Catch you in the next video.